Do you not know who I am? When I say the greatest YouTuber of all time, none of you would think of the real best YouTuber. There's so many great videos, so many great tutorials. It's like Disneyland on YouTube. I miss the old H3, the gold H3, the way back without the shirt H3, the Papa John and Sody Pop, Shrek-loving H3. That shit gets me rock hard, dude. Yeah, dude. Is this supposed to make me feel good? It makes me terrified. It makes me ashamed to be a human being. It's gonna get weirder. I know it's gonna get weirder. Not this shit again. I don't know how else to dance to this music. Turn it off, please. Was that the end? Did they mean to cut that there? No. Maybe shoving the champagne bottle up my ass wasn't a good idea. That's it! That's a perfect level! It's a perfect 10, dude! Al did it! What? I've never seen such eye contact like that before. What happened? I think I was stroking out. What happened? Were we watching something?
We were getting social. I thought you were dancing.
You thought I was having a stroke? I think I was stroking out, dude. Next time you see me doing that, call the ambulance, dog. I totally blacked out, man. I don't have time for this shit. Let's just get on with this. What? Yes. Oh, I'm supposed to keep singing?